Look at this sun. Recently watching a YouTube video, and the virgin said that the Bible's original name is the Sun Book. I never could understand why. I just love to be in the sun, love to feel it on my face. I can't understand why nobody would like that. Oh my God. It's like every part of you is being hugged. Every part the sun touches, it feels like it's hugging you, just hugging you. I don't get it. I love it. Here we go. Show y'all some of that sun. Come outside and get y'all some of that sun. It's good for you. That's good for you. Sun is good for you. All right, afternoon, everybody. I pray everybody's feeling good, smelling good, all of that. It's so beautiful out. Oh my God, I love to come out here and feel the sun on my face. Soon reach my husband, and I'll get to feel some real sun, okay? There is nothing like the sun in Jamaica. I'm sorry. I can't even explain it. But I love to be out in it. Enjoy your day, everybody. Love, love, and more love, all right? This is Mrs. Golden. Okay. Love everybody. Get some sun. Get out and get some of this sun. Just a piece. 5 minutes. Pray and feel it. Love you. Bye-bye.